think too often we assume that all practices of improvisation share too many characteristics and, more importantly, values. Others have, and I think will, continue to talk about the continuum between compositional thought and the improvisational mind. But I think there are a number of other spectra of values that need to be considered when we think about improvisation's utility and how the purpose of a practice sculpts its aesthetic and its approach. We assume sometimes that practitioners mean the same thing when they use the rhetoric of freedom or play or presence. And so my call here is to not fall into that trap, which I think unintentionally flattens the contoured landscape of improvisational practices. If we turn our attention away from unpacking the nuances of how freedom, play, thought, impulse, action operate in various improvisational practices, we can consider the way the purpose or the utility of improvisation develops value systems and aesthetic properties. So as I reflect on my own practices, I use improvisation in my practice as an artist and in my pedagogy. I use improvisation in dance technique classes as a process of attunement to nuanced physical articulations and as a practice of both expanding and refining possibilities of movement, essentially as technique. I use improvisation in my own choreographic process and in choreography classes as a research mode, as a strategy for harnessing dancer agency in both process and product, and remaining open to the discovery of the malleability of ideas, and then of course as the kind of aesthetic properties of imperfection. And I use improvisation as a standalone performance form and as a method of composition and collaboration. As an artist, I'm interested in the way that collaborative creative practice displaces an authorial center, unearths unexpected alignments, and produces productive